In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Manychat permissions, which is an essential task to ensure your Manychat account runs smoothly and maintains its connectivity. Let's walk through these simple steps together so you can complete this in no time. First, open your web browser and head over to Manychat. You'll want to navigate to the Manychat website to get started. Once you're there, look for the sign in option. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Simply input your username and password and click login. Don't worry if you don't remember your credentials. You can always use the forgot password link to retrieve them. Once you've successfully logged into Manychat, your next stop is the Manychat home. From here, you want to look for the Home tab. This is usually on the sidebar or the main menu of the Manychat interface. Clicking on the Home tab will give you access to the primary dashboard where all the key features and settings are housed. Now that you're comfortably in your Home tab, focus on the Settings option. It's a crucial step as this will lead us to where we need to make the permission refresh. Once you've found and clicked on Settings, the page will display various options related to your Manychat account. Among these, you'll see something called Channels. Go ahead and click on Channels to proceed. Channels are the different communication routes that are set up within Manychat, things like Messenger, SMS and others. Once you've clicked on Channels, you'll see a list of different channels that may already be set up, or those you can configure. Take a moment here to select any channel you want. This is an important step, as refreshing permissions needs to be done for each active channel. Now for the final step, look for the option labelled Refresh Permissions. This button is usually quite visible once you've selected a channel. Click on it, and what you're doing here is simply ensuring that Manychat has the latest and proper permissions to streamline communication across whichever channel you have chosen. And just like that, you've refreshed the permissions in Manychat. By following these steps, you keep your communication in sync and ensure you're leveraging all the powerful features Manychat offers. Remember, doing this regularly helps troubleshoot any unexpected issues and keeps your messaging seamless. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you're now confident in refreshing Manychat permissions whenever needed.